I've been a Christian for 20 years now. Since then, I started to do ministry, preaching the gospel, feeding others. I forgot to be fed myself. I didn't lose my faith. I lost my breath. So I step away, not from the Lord, but from the road. After the calling, walking back. Naging church leader ako, head ng mga ministry, worship ministry, ushering ministry, name it. And then naging youth chairman ako, eventually naging youth pastor, got promoted into assistant or being an assistant pastor, and then later on naging pastor. Pero dumating yung time na every time na magde-devotion ako, magbubukas ako ng Bible, magbabasa ako ng Bible, ang unang-unang pumapasok sa isip ko is, paano ko gagamitin tong message ng Lord sa preaching or sa pag-share instead of ano ba yung message sa akin ng Lord? Ano ba yung personal niyang gustong sabihin sa akin? This channel is for Christian na pakiramdam mo malayo ka sa Diyos. Christian who are walking with God but in a distance, worn out leaders, pakiramdam mo ubos ka na, or kung ikaw yung leader, napaubos na. This is not to talk badly from where we came from, the church, or do sa mga nakasama natin along the way, or yung mga kasama natin ngayon as we do the ministry. I'm here to walk with God without losing to the work. And if you're walking too, follow along.